In Tier Portal, when we want to set a numerical variable to a particular value, we need to move the value to it. So similar to setting a coil, where we have the preceding logic as a 1, in Tier Portal, the preceding logic to a move command, which is this command here, as long as this is true, we will move whatever's in this value or this parameter here into this output here. So if I put a value of 1 and then move this into numbers I1, and I could put another one after it, move and move 2 into into numbers I2. And I'll just put a boolean on the front so we can control when it happens. Put that as B1 and download that to the PLC. So we can see right now that we have bools is off, 1 is ready to move into numbers I1, and 2 is ready to move into numbers I2. When I turn B1 on, we can see that 1 is moved into I1 and 2 is moved into I2. And that is how you move numerical values around different variables in Tier Portal.